How to make money on social media fast. Making money on social media involves several strategies. 1. Influencer marketing. Build a large following and partner with brands for sponsored posts. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission on sales through unique affiliate links. 3. Selling products or services. Use platforms like Instagram or Facebook to sell physical or digital products directly. 4. Content creation. Monetize videos on YouTube or live streams on platforms like Twitch through ads and donations. 5. Crowdfunding and memberships. Use Patreon or similar platforms to offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. 6. Freelancing and consulting. Leverage your expertise to offer services through social media. 7. Advertising revenue. Enable ad monetization features available on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Success requires consistency, quality content, and engaging with your audience. 4. How to make money on social media in 500 words. ChatGPT. Making money on social media has become a viable source of income for many individuals and businesses. With the rise of various platforms, there are numerous strategies one can employ to generate revenue. Here's a comprehensive guide to making money on social media. 1. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with brands to promote their products or services. This is usually based on having a substantial and engaged following. Brands pay influencers to create content that showcases their offerings, whether through posts, stories, or videos. To become an influencer. Build a niche audience. Focus on a specific niche such as fitness, beauty, travel, or technology. Create high-quality content. Post regularly and ensure your content is visually appealing and valuable. Engage with followers. Respond to comments and messages to build a loyal community. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing entails promoting products and earning a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs. Steps to start affiliate marketing. Choose products to promote. Select products relevant to your audience. Create engaging content. Integrate affiliate links into your posts, blogs, videos, or stories naturally. Disclose affiliate relationships. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. 3. Selling products or services. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are excellent for selling products or services directly. This could be anything from handmade crafts to digital products like ebooks or online courses. Tips for selling on social media. Set up a shop. Use features like Instagram Shopping or Facebook Marketplace. Promote your products. Create posts and stories highlighting your products and their benefits. Use paid ads. Utilize social media advertising to reach a broader audience. 4. Content creation. Monetize your content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. These platforms offer various ways to earn money, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and viewer donations. To succeed in content creation. Consistent posting. Regularly upload content to keep your audience engaged. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords and tags to make your content discoverable. Interact with your audience. Build a community by engaging with viewers through comments and live chats. 5. Crowdfunding and memberships. Platforms like Patreon allow creators to earn money through subscriptions. Fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive content, early access, or other perks. How to use crowdfunding and memberships. Create exclusive content. Offer something unique that's not available to the general public. Promote your memberships. Encourage your followers to join by highlighting the benefits. Engage your patrons. Keep your subscribers happy with regular updates and exclusive interactions. 6. Freelancing and consulting. Leverage your expertise in a particular field by offering freelance services or consulting. Social media is a great way to showcase your skills and attract clients. Steps to get started. Build a professional profile. Use LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram to display your portfolio. To network, connect with potential clients and industry peers. Offer value, share insights and tips related to your field to establish authority. 7. Advertising revenue. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook offer monetization options through ads. Enable these features and earn money based on the views and engagement your content generates. To maximize ad revenue, meet platform requirements. Ensure you qualify for the monetization programs. Create engaging content. Higher engagement rates can lead to better ad performance. Understand analytics. Use insights to optimize your content strategy. Conclusion. Success on social media requires consistency, creativity, and engagement. By leveraging these strategies, you can turn your social media presence into a lucrative business. Focus on building a strong, authentic connection with your audience, and the monetization opportunities will follow.